Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semangat pagi Bapak dan Ibu. Sehat selalu dan salam sejahtera buat kita semua. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novianti Madonna Faiza. I would like to present about classification hadith translation using artificial neural network. Background introduction. Hadith are the words and deeds of Prophet Muhammad SAW. Hadith consists of prohibitions, orders, and information. Most people may have difficulty to understand the meaning of the hadith. Given the large number of hadith data, it is necessary to manage hadith data. Aims and objective. Classifying of hadith into the category of prohibition or orders. Measuring the level of the accuracy of the method that is considered the best in classifying prohibition or orders in the hadith. Research scopes are Sahih Bukhari and Muslim books of hadith, classification of prohibition and orders, using the neural network algorithm. The accuracy value is used as the benchmark for the research. The tools used are the Python 3.7 programming language. Related work with 5 authors: Gufron et al., Adnida, Yuslan, Eliza, and Said et al. The Gufran et al., the title is Application of Practical Swarm Optimization in Feed-Forward Neural Network for Classification of Bukhari Hadith Text in Indonesia Translation. Method by BPFNN. The result accuracy is 89.5%. Eliza 217 et al. The title is Classification of Recommendation, Prohibition and Information of Sahih al-Bukhari Hadith based on Unigram model using artificial neural network. ANN Unigram F1 result accuracy score is 85% and etc. Based on the background, objective and related work, this study used artificial neural network because it is considered quite good in classifying the hadith text. We can see the flowchart here from the research framework. First, penelitian and pelabelan hadith dataset, and then text pre-processing with the 3 steps, then feature selection with the word factor, then data split from training set, and then machine learning process in neural network, and then the last step is evaluasi. Methodology of text pre-processing with the 3 points: theming, remove stop word, and tokenize. Word factor used to find a value vocabulary and similarity. Vocabulary is a treasury value in the form of ordinate x and y. Similarity is the value of the relationship of the word and vocabulary that has been converted from the text to value numeric. Data split used to divide data into data training and data testing. Data training is 90%, data test is 10%. Neural network adapt from the ability of the human brain, which is able to provide stimulation, process, and provide output. Neural network functions are classification of patterns, mapping the pattern obtained from the input into the new pattern on output, pattern cipher to the be recalled, mapping similar pattern, problem optimizer, and prediction. Neural network components. First, dense used to add layer. Input determined based on size similarity. ReLU used for activation input layer and hidden layer. Sigmoid used for activation output layer. Adam used for optimization. Loss as binary cross entropy. Epoch value, bit size value. We can see the table of evaluation. Actual positive class, meet predictive positive class, equal true positive. Equal positive class, meet predictive negative class, equal false positive. Equal negative class, meet predictive positive class, equal false negative. Equal negative class, meet predictive negative class, equal true negative. So the accuracy TP plus Tn divide into TP plus Tn plus Fp plus Fn equal 100%. The result and discussion we can see from model data here. Dataset 1 perintah 0 larangan. Steaming result such as semua perbuatan tergantung niatnya dan balasan. And the process of STEAM dictionary, we can see semua, buat, gantung, niat, dan balas bagi. So the tokenized, we can see semua bantu gantung niat balas bagi. Then the process tokenized process such as divide into each word. Semua, buat, gantung, niat, dan balas bagi. So we can see from the vocabulary here, every word, we can see each word divide into each word. The similarity example visualization of similarity result from the word hari. We can see from this graphic, model kata hari. We use many experiments. First, experiment A with the layer 2 and the neuron 128 with the accuracy 97.5%. And layer 5, neuron 128 with the accuracy 97.1%. And the last layer 10 with the neuron 128 with the accuracy 96.4%. Then B, we still use the same layer 2, 5, and 10 with the neuron 256 and the different accuracy. And we can see from this table and this graphic, the highest layer is 97.7%. Last is experiment C. We still use the same layer 2, 5, and 10 with a different layer 512 layer neuron, same layer 2, 5, and 10 with the same neuron 512. And the highest accuracy we can see from the layer 2 and 5, 97.5%. The result recapitulation. So we can see from the experiment we can meet the highest accuracy in the experiment B with the layer 2. The neuron is 256 with the accuracy 97.7%. So the evaluation is, you can see from the table, actual 0 mean actual larangan, Actual 1 means actual perintah. Prediction 0 means prediction larangan. Prediction 1 means prediction perintah. Actual 0 means prediction 0 equal 2210. Actual 0 means prediction 1 equal 3 Fn. Actual 1 means prediction 0 equal 13 FP. Actual 1 means prediction 1 equal 663 TP. So when we process the accuracy equal 97.72%. Conclusion are pre-processing good ones can give optimal result. Use word factor as feature selection can help neural network. Neural network can be used as a classifier of a hadith into the category of prohibition or orders. The best result from the study using 2-layer and 256 neuron in the hidden layer neuron in the highest accuracy value of 97.72%. The suggestion is in the future, similar research can be carried out by adding a greater number of categories to the hadith. Looking for a feature that is more efficient in factor extraction of text, using a neural network algorithm with a more complex architecture for a better accuracy result.